Our coach, Sir Jules Porpon, our players, Kenneth Canlas, Francis Olores, Justin Gio, Dexter Duplayan, Roy Inton,
We are here to
John
learn
Kenneth
all
Luna,
practice for this assessment.
JP Madrid, Sean Evangelista, Nick Balano, Chris Siena, Ryan Ruiz, Paul Villaluz, Paul Rojas, Mark Kumar, Zach Gatchalian, Derek Rodriguez, and Ian Pagulay.
We're strict on compliance. Pag-comply tayo lagi sa cybersecurity standards, ha?
Final minutes for the warm-up before we start.
We are seasoned. We are vigilant. Within 24 oras to protect our network from attacks. Diba?
Good afternoon as well to our committee and our referees. Magpiyok tayong lahat. Okay. Light color for Team Mr. Muscle. Ay, Mr. Clean. Dark color for Team Mr. Muscle. Welcome everyone to our April Season Connect. Are we about to start? Okay, we're about to start. Iya, may pictorial ba ng ano? Ganon? Okay, sino ang ano? Si Sir Jules. Wala pa si Sir Enan? At Sir Jules na lang. So we can start. Okay. Alright. Where's the ball at? Where's the ball at?
Luna, si Luna. Number 9. Tapos si Ruiz, 92. 92. First one. Mr. Muscle with the ball. Two points! Balik sa Mr. Clean ng bola. Tignan natin ang kanya. Mr. Clean with the ball. Nasa, shoot. Bumalik si Mr. Muscle ang bola. Ah! Kumar with the ball. Nasa. Up. Mr. Clean with the ball. Great defense by the Mr. Muscle. Not na-reclaim ang bola by Mr. Muscle. Free throw. Free throw by Mr. Kumar. Two successful free throws by Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean with the ball. And tingnan natin kung anong diskarte ng Mr. Muscle. Oh! Traveling. Balik sa Mr. Clean ang bola. Let's see what can they make the shot. Foul. Two free throws. Shoutout po, Sir Sherwin from Season RM. Sir She. Once again, welcome to our April Season Connect. Mr. Clean reclaimed the ball. Tingnan lang sa oh, tingnan natin. Oh, great reclaim by Mr. Clean. Oh, reclaim by Mr. Muscle. Going down the court. Let's see.
Pwede niyong gamitin. Para marinig kayo sa live.
Ito pa yun, sir. Tapat ko na lang sa speaker to, sir. Alin po ba dyan, sir, yung may mic?
Balon!
rotate ng new players.
Okay.
Stop muna, we're going to rotate new players for the next set. Mr. Lee currently with 4 points and Mr. Marcel 9 points. 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Correction. 4 points, Mr. Muscle, and 9 points, Mr. Brown. 5. Look, sa Manila Santa, Mr. Lee with the defense. Number 7. Mr. Muscle with the ball. Tignan natin kung paano na yung depensa ng Mr. Lee. So, Mr. Lee with the ball. Look. Wala na shot. Mr. Muscle with the ball. Look, hesitate. Let's see kung
Miss,
Lee with the ball.
wala.
Mr. Lee with the
Jomer holding the ball. Hindi pa tinuloy.
Great defense by Mr. Lee. Korea has the ball.
For 2. Possession of the ball is Mr. Lee. So down to the ball and third over. So Lee. Last 3 minutes.
Last touch by Mr. Lee. Mr. Marcel now reclaims the ball. Mr. Lee with the ball for 3.
Kanda.
Mr. Lee now with 9 points and Mr. Muscle 8 points. Sir Wallace with the ball. Kailan sa kay Sir Bob. Kailan sa kay Sir... For 2 points. Look. Mr. Muscle with the ball kay Sir Lian. Down the floor. Oh. Steal by Sir Bob. Oh.
Lumilipat!
Oh, fast break by Mr. Lee. Tingnan natin kung ano yung defense. Ayun.
23 holding the ball.
Sir Bob with the ball.
Open. With a free 2. Bang.
Mr. Lee now with 13 points.
Austria. Ay. Na-steal na naman. Ano ginagawa niyo? Oh, binalibol.
for Ian for the free throw. Two successful free throws. Mr. Muscle now with 10-4.
Hindi nakita ang likod.
See you back to Mr. Muscle for Ian on the board.
Alpan.
Pass to Sir Bob.
Masyado mabilis.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
Mr. David Ball. Down the court from the bridge. Pass to Hatil. Hatil 2 points. Last 30 seconds. First shot.
Austria.
And last with the ball. Good defense. Ball behind Mr. Gomer. Down the stretch. Pass to the box. Outside. Last touch. Mr. B. Five seconds. 3.
2, 1. Umangal lang po.
Mr. Clean with 15 points and Mr. Maxwell 10 points.
Good job.
Sir, ano po masasabi niyo sa...
Restart again po tayo, 13. And no. And no. Ako. Attention, Attorney Kia is in the house.
Dito.
Okay.
Test mic.
Welcome, Attorney G.
Second quarter. Free throw by Sir Dex. Mr. B.
Go, Sir Dex. Ganun. Shoot! Ayaw, target. Shoot! Pero maalam eh.
Mr. Moto with the ball.
aalis na po si Mervin. Mervin Matienzo, bawal po umalis. Mervin, Mervin.
Yes, Sir Mervin Matienzo exiting the
Sir Mervin
premises
Matienzo.
right out now. Okay.
Mervin, wala ka pa ang bag.
Harangan si Sir Mervin.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to redeem. Rodriguez and Mr. Marcel with the ball. Number 2. 2 free throws for Mr. Rodriguez.
Hello, Sir Dex. Hello.
Mr. Lee with the ball.
Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah. Ah,
By
ah, ah.
Mr. Marshall. Mr. P with the ball. Good defense by Mr.
Go, Derek. Go, Derek. Go, Derek.
Reset. Actually, yan for three.
Sino ba sila?
Mr. Marshall. Good defense by Mr. P.
Fouling. To
Wala
what
na po
country?
pakalam kay... Kasalita ko nito. Hi, Mau. Sir Mau. Randy, si Sir Mau. Mukha po ka dyan. Ba't umiinom ka na? Napagod ka na ba, Sir Mau? Sige, pwede ka na po uminom.
Shout out to Tita Garden.
Ay, go!
Kulang sila! Kulang sila! Kulang sila!
Defense.
Atak! Atake! Atake!
Hindi. Aray!
Kulang sila! Atake! Atake!
Pinasa. Boy, to the rebound. Quick pass. Look. To the fake. And move.
Baran pass.
Mr. Tech Strategy. Hello, hello.
Points and Mr. King 20 goals. Okay, for two. Yeah.
Go, Derek. Go, Derek!
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez to
Ako ba yung
goal.
yung mic?
Mr. King going with the ball.
Rodriguez!
2 points with one.
So, ano sinasabi mo, Sir Ian? Sinasabi niya? Oy, RJ. Ano?
Three points. Total of 8. Australia, the ball. Down the stretch. Good defense. By Mr. King. Pinagbunuhan. Pinasa.
Kulang na sila!
Rodriguez. Pinasa. Look. Bumalik si Mr. Max sa bola. Pinasa. Mangilin.
Taba! Taba!
Mr. King regains the ball. Last 6 minutes. Does he stop? Wow. Number 10.
Rosenberg! Rosenberg!
Announcing the arrival of Mr. Dukaw. Mr. Dukaw in the house.
Carl, kumusta ka naman? Kumusta ka naman? Kumusta ka? Kumusta tayo? Ako din eh.
23.
Dapat mo pinagpito natin yung trabaho siguro eh. Para di nakalis.
Second national number.
Laging palpak. At
5. 7. Group number.
Taas kamay!
Oh, Sir RB.
Taas!
Oh, Sir Emel. Sir RB. Sabi niya, Tibet, shoot! Shoot daw! Shoot!
Bowling A by
Taas naman! Hindi lang labab. Wala namang po si Ate Beth. Nathan, ikaw na.
For 3. Sir Ian, number 7 holding the ball. Going in. The bar with the ball down the stretch. So foul.
Defense! Defense!
Sir Jed driving the ball. Balik sa Mr. Manson ang bola. So, foul. So, two. Nahabol ni Mr. Manson. 21 points. Mr. Clean, 29 goals. Shout out at Mr. Ian at RKLNDRS. Sotomayor with the steal, down to third. Josh with the defense, Inasa. Great aim by Sotomayor. Wow. With the ball. Up defense by Mr. Marcel. Rebounding. For two. Up rebounding again by Mr. Outside. Balik sa Mr. Marcel ang ball. For three. Wala.
Rebounded. By Mr. King. Serve up with the ball. Good defense by Mr. King. Surrey.
Boom!
Kumar with the ball. Oh, almost steal by Serva. For two. And 2 points for Kumar. Last 2 minutes. Kumar with the ball. The defense is in ball. Luis. Uy, wala na kabataan. Mr. James. Up, napasok na ang score ng bola. Kumar, 2 points. 2 points. And Kumar. Mr. Green with 31 points and Mr. Mancha 25 points. Wow. 40. Third personal foul by number 40. Mr. Green down the stretch. Look. Ray Pinasa. Last touch by Mr. King and Mr. Rasa Lakboy. Pinasa.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That concludes our second quarter.
26 points for Mr. Muscle. Babalik na ba? Okay, 26 for Mr. Muscle and 33 for Mr. Queen. Abot ba tayo? nakakulit ako. Mag-disconnect ako. Sa trader na ako. Okay.
Shout out as well to those watching live via Facebook and YouTube. And to those watching outside the country from around the world, welcome to the live stream of CSUB Connect 2025. We are streaming live. We now have 2 million viewers as of this time. And still growing, 2 million. Thank you to all those watching live from the comforts of their home. This is such a spectacular, phenomenal, and successful event.
Start of the second half.
Yeah, yes.
Mr. Clean with the ball. Mr. Marcel. Mr. Marcel.
Yes.
Magdadalo ka lang yung 5 ng third quarter. Then, fourth quarter, open sa patuhan. Serve with the ball. Nasa kay Sir Dex. Mira, 2 points. Forward. Good rebound by Sir Ian. Oh, assisted pa ba? Weekly by Sir Ian. Ginasa. For 3. Oh. Nasa kay Sir Ian. Wala. Oh. 33.
Lapit!
Kanila sa the ball. So, grabe na rebound. Back to stretch. Up. And that's the ball, Binasa. Good. And foul. So now with the ball. Down the stretch. Oh! Rebound. Rian for 2.
Ryan!
Mr. Monzo, now with Mr. P, 33 goals. Good points by 8 minutes for the first quarter. Pinasa. 14. Nicky. Mr. Marcel, Pinasa. Golden Team. Pinasa. 3 out. Good defense. Being outside. Pinasa. Pinasa for 2. Mr. T take the ball. Move outside. Balik sa Mr. Masinabo. Second last down the stretch. By number 5. Mr. Marshall now with 30 points, Mr. P 35 points. Sumahabol. Okay, good evening. Updating by Sir Gab. Pinasa for 2 points. Over to the Gab on the straight. Now it. Green foul. Project with the ball. Walang pantay sa ilalim. Muli ang leaking na ball. Nasa project. Ball. Match. 2 points for Mr. P. Korean Muscle for Hello. Nasa. Serve up with the defense. Attempt to steal. Nasa. Nasa serve. Rebound with with the ball, Mr. Russell Bola. Oh, tinusog na ng defense. Oh, Sir Ian. Hey, 2 points. Mr. Russell, 32 points, and Mr. P, 37 points. Nasa 2 points. Mr. Russell, take the ball, from last match. Attempt to steal by the outside. Mandatory substitution. 5 points.
It's 32 points for Mr. Muscle, 37 for Mr. Queen.
Dutlayan sa ball, doon sa Kanagsayan, doon sa Rodriguez, 2 points. Oh, rebounded by Mr. Muscle. Oh. Kanagsayan, the ball, good defense by Mr. Team. 2 points, Mr. Foul. Retaining the ball by Mr. Team. De La Cruz with the ball. Austria.
A well-applauded basket by Austria. Okay.
Pinasa kay Rodriguez. Pinalik niya. Ibalik kay Rodriguez. Pinasa kay Sorbahan. De La Cruz.
De La Cruz.
Austria.
On to Austria. Ducao.
Austria with the ball. Trying to shoot for power. Rodriguez with the ball. Dexter. Oh, trying to steal. Oh. Lions to 3-2.
The Lions.
Making room, nagulong sa bola, down the stretch, pinasa kay Dexter. More room. Sergey with the ball, down the stretch, pinasa kay back to Dexter. Pinasa kay Rodriguez, foul. 2-2. Penalty. Rodriguez for free throw. 2 free throws. Mr. Muscle now with 36 points and Mr. B 39 points. Mga kaibigan na nakahabol. At kailangan kanina. Sergey with the ball, pinasa kay Sergey na Cruz for beating. Two free throws for Austin. Rodriguez with the ball, pinasa kay Chalyan. Balik sa masunod ng bola. Chalyan with the ball. Angeles. Rodriguez. Oscar with the ball. Pinasa kay Sergey. Last 2 minutes. Alves is the shot. Austria with the rebound. Hernandez. There, 2 goals. That's it. Pinasa. Number 9. Number 9. 2 free throws. Mr. Muscle now with 38 points and Mr. Dean 42 points. Sergey with the ball. Mr. Muscle with the defense. Rebounded by Rodriguez. Pinasa kay Chalyan. Sergey 2 points. Got Chalyan with the ball. Foul.
Kamay na kamay eh.
Rodriguez, the rebound. Ang sigaw ito. Rodriguez, Victoria. For three. Rebounded. Austria with the ball. Sergent with the ball. Strawberry for three. So Bangladesh, last 30 seconds. Sergent for two.
Shot lock. Last shot.
Mr. Lee, 46 points. Mr. Russell, 38 points. Rodriguez with the ball.
Last shot.
Dexter for three.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Sergent down the stretch for Austria. 3-1. Fourth quarter open substitution now allowed.
We are CISO. We are here to evaluate all projects for risk assessment. Sana, walang for conditional clearance.
We are seasoned. We are committed to our projects at gumagamit kami ng security by design framework. Okay, thank you. We are CISO. We are strict on compliance. Mag-comply tayo lagi sa cybersecurity standards, ha?
Kung ang ticket na yan, pa rin. So far, wala pa rin.
Ay, saan ka? Tingin ka na.
We are seasoned. We are vigilant. Gising 24 oras to protect our network from attacks. Diba?
Fourth quarter. Reagan serve up. Sergent with the ball. And last with the defense. 18 by Mr. Serve up with the ball. Pinasa na Sergent. Pinasa. For two. Outside. Balik sa Mr. Marcel. Pass. Kay Kumar ang bola. Pinasa kay Jurgen Glass. For two balls. Up. Two free throws for Candas. Rodriguez with the ball. Hey, Rodriguez with the evening.
Rodriguez.
With the ball, Sergent, bola. Rodriguez with the defense, foul the defense, and got the three. Rodriguez with the rebound, get outside the defense last. For foul. Mr. Marcel now with 42 points and Mr. Pete 48 points. Sergent with the ball. Rodriguez is at the steal, serve up the bola. Fourth personal foul. Kumar with the ball. Good pass, and thus, napalakas ang pass. Serve up, Sir Ray with the rebound. Sir Shoot. Good. Sir Judas. Sir Jake. Good. Man. Captain West with the ball. Sir Ian. Root. Sir Jade. Pinasa kay Sir Bob. Mr. Muscle with the defense. That's Mr. Muscle ball. According. Magandang yaman. Rodriguez with the ball. Attempt to shoot. Bang! Ray, Rodriguez with the rebound. And last, for the defense. Attempt to steal. Successful steal by Mr. Green for 2 points. Bang! Outside. Mr. Green. Open substitution. Mr. Green now with 22 points and Mr. Muscle 44 points. Down with the ball, Forget, down the stretch, Pinasa, Forget, yep, Austria, outside, Mr. Masaldo, Samar with the ball, down the stretch, Pinasa at last for 3, Mr. Clean timeout.
Good, good.
And Gus with the ball. Samar Rodriguez. Whoop, Rodriguez. With the ball. Whoop. Back to goal.
Alonso!
Ian with the ball. Whoop. Timeout, Mr. This game was brought to you by Opico. Circa to goal. Rojas with the ball. Alonso with the ball. Austria. Tomorrow with the defense. Pinasa. Whoop. Last 2-2. Ian with the ball. Whoop. And that is the rebound. Korea leading. Outside. Substitution. Mr. Lee. Number 2. Number 5. Number 2, substitution number 4. Sir, grabbing the ball. And last is Murray, the defense. So Doug is good with the ball. Murray defense. 4-3. Rebounded by Jonas. Down switch. Kumar, 2 points. Mr. Lee now with 55 points and 58 points, and Mr. Baker with 55 points. Mr. Muscle ball. And last is the ball down the stretch. So that will leave it. Oops. Go out. So good. With the replay down the stretch. Now that is for Jed for 2. Oops. 14 substitution for number 5. Austria. First step. Mr. E now with 59 points and Mr. Muscle with 55 points. Omar with the ball. 2 points. Yep. Then that moves, they get the rebound, and then the hits. Will it make it? Hey! Rodriguez with the rebound. And that's a pass for 3. Good with the ball. So there. With the ball. For 3. Yeah, the rebound. And the uses defense. And then that's Omar, 2 points. Good. Mr. Muscle,
Omar.
57 points. Mr. B, 59 points.
2-point lead for Mr. Clean. Catching up Mr. Muscle.
They're good with the ball. For next.
Baluan.
3 for 3. So good, rebound. On the stretch. So rebound to the defense. Another one. And Mr. Ronaldo with
Luka.
Last 2 minutes. So have 2 points for
Rojas.
They're good with the ball. Austria. De La Cruz for 2. The rebound for 2. Foul. Second left. For the defense. Pinasa with the mark. The foul. Rebounded by Austria. Quick pass. Down to third base. Number 12. 2 free throws for Mr. Lee. Substitution. Number 5 for 14. And last is the ball. Outside. Substitution number 9. Mr. Moscow. Ay Banapasa. And left. Ito the view. Nasa Korea. Nangirapan. Magaling ang defense ng Mr. King for 2 points. After that, De La Cruz with a rebound. Alonso. Jed with the ball down the stretch. Close 25 seconds. Austria with the ball. Alonso for 3 points. Last 4 seconds on the game clock. Mr. Clean now with 64 points and Mr. Muscle 59 points. Free throw for Mr. Clean. First of them, Mr. Clean now with 66 points. Mr. Muscle 59 points. Nasa Alapella. Tomar for 3. And April, Seasalt Connect.
Great game!
Congratulations, Mr. Lee, with 66 points, Mr. Muscle with 59 points.
Good job, everyone!
Congratulations as well to our organizers for today's event.
Also, thank you to our sponsors for Season Connect this April 2025. See you next game, next season. Paging Attorney G. Attorney G, paging. Attorney G. Awarding. Okay, we're going to award our free throw shooting champion. Okay, first award to be given up, our free throw champion for Season Connect this April 2025. We have no other than Sir Gab Alonzo. Congratulations to be awarded by Attorney G. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sir Jules. Sir Jules, para my picture. Okay. Our free throw champion for April 2025 Season Connect, Sir Gab Alonzo. Thank you so much. Diyan lang po kayo, Attorney G and Sir Jules. Now to our MVP for this Season Connect April 2025. It goes to no other than Sir Dexter Barantes. Sir Dexter. Congratulations, Sir Dexter Barantes. Our MVP, Season Connect. And also, we'd like to acknowledge our muses for Mr. Clean and Mr. Maso. Si Miss JC. Miss JC. Dito po tayo. At saka si Mirai, Miss Mirai, where are you? Mirai. 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 Picture lang. Picture. Okay. So. And JC, you right? JC, Miss JC. Picture lang, picture. Picture lang. To our audience as well, thank you so much for coming and supporting Season Connect April 2025. We have our music for you as well. Our music for Miss Clean, Miss JC. Our music for Mr. Maso, Miss Mirai. Together with Attorney G and Sir Jules. Smile. All right, thank you so much. Thank you as well to our referees, our committee, our videographer and photographers for this Season Connect. And now, awarding of our champion for Season Connect. Yes. Stand by everyone, mag-group picture din tayo. Our champion for April 2025 Season Connect goes to Mr. Clean. Group picture. Okay. Group picture. Stand by everyone. Group picture buong CSOG. O, isa pa daw. One more. Naka-taas. Okay. Congratulations. Okay, everybody now, pasok po tayo, front and center, including our audience as well. Thank you for supporting Siso Collect. Punta po tayo lahat dito. Okay, our muses as well, pasok po tayo. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you everyone for coming. All right. Pasok everyone. Miray, nasa ka daw? Miray, today po ito. Charot. Okay, picture. Pasok na, pasok na. Okay. Thank you so much. I-zoom nila tayo isa-isa. Patience lang po. May solo picture po tayo. Ay, ano ba? Thank you to Sir Patrick, our pillar lead. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations. Good job, Mr. Clean and Mr. Muscle. Thank you, everyone. See you all next season Connect. It's 6 o'clock. Mag-impake na po tayo. We have to leave by 6 o'clock. Thank you again.